Hey guys, this is MP4 Podcast. I'm coming at you with another great little tip for iPhone photography. There's a great little application called Gorillacam, and they're the same guys that bring you the Gorilla tripods. They have those like spider legs. And what's great about this application, one, it's completely free, and it has anti-shake or image stabilization for the iPhone. So let's start this up. I'm going to show you some of the features here. You know, it has a self timer, and also if you want to use a nice little tripod that you can pop your iPhones in, check out the Gorillapods. Time-Lapse, it has Time-Lapse, anti-shake. It has the bubble, as you can see, it's right here, so you can get it leveled. It has a grid, press anywhere, so if you don't want to just press right here, I prefer pressing this sometimes. 3-shot burst will take 3 shots. So that's it. So I'm going to just give you an example of the anti-shake. Now, as you can see this in the video, it's a little shaky, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a picture. Alright, I just want to let you guys know that you guys didn't hear the audio because I turned off the sound on my phone by putting on the vibration mode. And I do that so when I'm in low light, I don't disturb like my niece or the cat. I have a cat and I like taking pictures of my cat when he's like sleeping. And sometimes, you know, that shutter, the fake shutter will go and the cat will turn his head and might want to take another shot and I'll miss it. And it's the same thing with my niece when she comes over. Sometimes she's sleeping in her pen and she looks really cute, or she's on the couch watching Elmo or something. And I don't want to disturb her. And I want to take some nice pictures in low light. And the killer to sometimes those photos is the sound coming out of these little speakers right here. So remember to turn that off. So let's go to camera roll. And I'll show you that picture. And we'll bring this up. And look how sharp that the text is right there. And you remember, this thing was shaking. And this is in low light. As you can see, this is my camera right now. I have no lights in the room. The shades are down. There is sunlight outside, but that sunlight's not even coming in. So, Gorilla, it's Gorilla, what's it called? It's Gorillacam, and it's a free photography app, and it works great. I did have one problem, just to let you know. This locked up. You know, I wasn't able to get into the menu. Simple fix: power down your iPhone. That's not doing, tap and then turning it back on. That's holding it down and then sliding the green power button over to the right, and that completely shuts it down and then starts up. And I haven't had any problems with it at all since that. So that's the photography tip. And please subscribe to my channel, MP4 Podcast. There will probably be some podcasts later up on iTunes, but rate, comment, subscribe, and you guys have a good one. Take care, guys.